Investing? It's not as complicated as you might think. We're here to break it down, all from your phone. This week, we're looking at stocks and shares. Stocks are shares in a company and are valued based on a company's total worth. So, how do you pick what stocks to invest in? You might look to choose based on the brands you know and love. Another way to decide on a stock is based on the future you believe in. You could ask yourself, what do you think the next big thing in the world is going to be? You might also choose based on whether a stock is a dividend stock. These are stocks that regularly distribute the company's profits to shareholders through dividends. Another way to choose a stock is based on their ESG score. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. And an ESG score for a stock can reflect how sustainable a company is, which can be a great way of knowing if your investment is helping contribute to a more sustainable future.